Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Kathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Join us today in Litchfield, Illinois, right on historic Route 66, as we show you around the Kamper Kompanion, both words with a K, Kamper Kompanion RV Park. This is a small park. We don't have a map to show you the layout of this park, but this was just an outstanding small park, and we wanted to be sure to show it to you.
Come along.
Now, this will just give you an idea right off the interstate what's involved in getting into this park. It's a very easy in, easy out park. It is located very near the interstate, but it was fascinating to us. You couldn't hear the traffic.
Yeah.
You could see it. It's not like there's a sound retention wall or anything like that, but it was very quiet, very peaceful, and it is definitely a family owned and operated park, and you can tell they take a lot of pride in this park. As you come across the bridge from the interstate, you'll make the first right onto the frontage road, and that frontage road actually is old historic Route 66. Just around the curve, you'll see some trees here on the left, and that's our park. You'll see the Kamper Kompanion sign right out there along the road as you come in. And over here on the left is the office. On the right is where you can get propane fill. Also, there's a trash dumpster there. That office building we'll come back to here again a little bit, show you a few of the amenities that are located there too. For now, we're going to take the right-hand side of the fork, and this will bring you up to it. I think it was an open-air pavilion, but it's been kind of enclosed, and it's now kind of their rec center. Beautiful playground, and at the back of the playground is this raised deck seating area with a fire pit.
That was really nice.
Yeah, everything they had was very nice and very well taken care of. Now we're actually going to come up through one of these pull-through sites here to get to the back row. You'll see our rig parked there on the left. We'll come back at the end of the video and show you our site and the hookups on it.
And that field was one of the prettiest settings you could be sitting next to.
Absolutely. Now this white picket fence is the dog park.
Maggie loved it.
If she could give it more than 4 paws up, she would.
Well, with a tail, that makes
Well, that's true.
4 paws and a tail.
But yeah, beautiful dog park, very well mowed. Everything was mowed and trimmed and just beautiful. You can see some of the traffic going by out there on the interstate, but you honestly couldn't hear it. I've never seen anything like that.
These trees are beautiful, and they're trimmed way up, so you don't have to worry about dragging on them.
And you do get some shade from them.
Mm-hmm.
Which Illinois has been mostly overcast while we've been here, but we had some warm days. We've had some cooler days too, but we've had some up in the 80s, so the shade was very welcome.
Yeah.
Now as we come back up here, this is like a big circle. We're coming back around to the front. This is the office building again that you see in the front. That blue door on the side leads to the laundry area. And it is a small park. It's a small laundry area, 2 washers, 2 dryers. They are all on quarters. You can get quarters in the office.
And everything is super clean. Now, I love this map.
I do too. This is an old print of a picture of what the park looked like back in the day. There was a mobile home section that isn't there any longer. Now, this is what the shower house looks like. the men's side, there were 2 stalls, there were 2 showers. Everything was spotless clean. Now we'll come back around. This was on the left side of the fork, and we'll come back around to where our site was to show you. This site was site M4. She told me when we got there, this is the biggest site we've got in the place. And this was actually, I believe, a mobile home site, looking at that picture they had in there. And that's probably the reason for the M in M4. But it's almost like part of the roadway, but it's a pull-through site. We had nice green space on our campsite. There's a little fire ring there, nice painted picnic table, and again, all of the sites were nicely kept up. Little concrete patio, and we had a birdhouse there at the end that we were watching little birds coming in and out of the whole time.
And speaking of birds, wow, birds were everywhere.
Absolutely. Now on the business side of things, we've got heated water connection there, threaded sewer, and the electric is on the power pole over there, which is a little bit different setup, but it worked out well. Well, Cathy, what have you thought about our stay here at Kamper Kompanion RV Park in Litchfield, Illinois?
I really like it. It has been nice and peaceful. It's beautiful. We've got birds all around us. It's been great.
I was going to say, that's one of the things that really has surprised me here. We are parked right along the interstate. I mean, we can watch the traffic, but you never hear them, not even at night when you're laying in bed and everything's quiet. You just don't hear it. That was just a car just driving right past our site. But the traffic from the highway is non-existent from Interstate 55. It's been a beautiful place to stay. They keep this place manicured and clean. A lot of overnight traffic through here, but there's a few of us that have been here for more than an overnight too.
And I love our yard.
I know.
It's
we even have a little birdhouse
beautiful,
here.
yeah. With birds.
Yeah? So with that, if you've enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, watch for the button up in this corner at the end of the video. If you tap that, you can ring the notification bell. You'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.